Hello, I'm Sally Holland. I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales, and this is a message for parents and carers in Wales. I want to encourage you to continue to seek the help that your children need with their health needs and any social needs they may have, and any mental health needs. All the services that we normally have are still out there and available for you. They may look and feel a bit different, but there are still people there to help you and support you and your child. So if you have any concerns about your child's health, please do contact your GP, dial 111, or contact the hospital in your usual way. And if you are struggling with things like parenting and family relationships, again, please do reach out for help from your local authority. There's still support out there for you. If you're worried about a child or children in your local community, particularly about their safety, please do contact the NSPCC helpline or your local authority to discuss your concerns and make sure that every child in our community is safe and getting the support they need. Thank you for listening.